Hey, this is Joey with OC Grab Bars, your grab bar installer. Just wanted to discuss real quick about the benefits of the Moen Peened grab bar and why it's our most popular selling grab bar. Take a quick look here and we can see that the peen surface here of the grab bar gives a very secure grip when the user is going to grab onto the bar, especially when you're using soap or shampoo and you go to grab onto the bar to make sure you have a secure grip. The last thing you want to do is have like a chrome finish or a white finish, because those bars can be extremely slippery when you go to grab onto it. Last thing we want to do is have our hands slide off the bar. So that's why the Moen Peened grab bars are the most popular and best-selling bars that we install. If you have any questions in regards to your grab bar installation, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 714-225-9215, or you can reach us at ocgrabbars.com.